Welcome to Lushi Reviews, your gateway to the world of luxury cars. Subscribe now and experience elegance, power, and innovation redefined. This is not just a car. It's a statement of power, of elegance, of perfection. This is the Rolls Royce Spectre in its purest white. Every line, every curve is crafted with precision, a masterpiece that combines engineering with art. The spirit of ecstasy leads the way, while silence embraces you within. Spectre is more than luxury. It's the first fully electric Rolls Royce. Silent, smooth, effortless. It redefines what it means to drive into the future without losing the soul of tradition. Inside, you are surrounded by handcrafted perfection. Soft leather, starlight roof, and an atmosphere of timeless class. It's not just a drive, it's an experience. The Rolls Royce Spectre, white as purity, bold as power, and eternal as luxury.